4 elements of writing high-converting headlines. When it comes down to the art of internet marketing, your sales headline is part and parcel of the thin line that separates a successful campaign and utter failure. More than ever before, the world is getting more competitive by the day, and it is up to the discerning online entrepreneur to come up with ingenious ways of staying at the top of his game. Content marketers who know how to use headlines right are the ones at the top of their game. That's why while every writing task is important, copywriting headlines is crucial. A headline is your introduction, first impression, opening line, and sales pitch all rolled into one. 8 out of 10 people read headlines. Just 2 out of 10 read the rest of the piece. Those who actually read your headline will decide within an estimated 5 to 10 seconds whether or not to continue. The headline is the first entry point to your article, web page, or email campaign. If the reader stops at the headline, your piece will not get read. That's why the headline plays an especially crucial role in any piece. And the best way to do this is through funneling more sales with the aid of a solid converting headline that will even the most skeptical individuals into regular, loyal customers. Most people don't read, but scan content on the internet to quickly ascertain whether or not it's worth spending time on. With that in mind, you should pay attention to the subheadings you use in your marketing copy. Every element of a compelling piece has just one purpose: to get the next sentence read, culminating in the call to action. Speaking of which, whereas there are numerous ideas of how to write, spin or fashion high-converting and persuasive sales headlines, but all of them have a few things in common. This includes but not limited to: 1. Promises, albeit indirectly, that the user is going to benefit immensely from the product or service. 2. A good converting headline that can easily skyrocket your sales ought to prove that you are actually selling what you are promoting, producing or offering. This helps the reader know that they can purchase and start using your product as soon as the next minute. 3. It is very important to paint a clear picture of the benefits of taking up your product or enrolling in your service. 4. It needs to convey a sense of urgency or an element of it that your customers have to act now or as soon as possible. Make them feel that they have been missing out on a lot and it is time to turn their prospects around. The bottom line is that it takes a skillful use of persuasive language, careful choice of words, and thoughtfulness to create a converting sales headline. Remember always that the universal question for customers everywhere is, "Why should I care?" Your headline should succinctly answer this question using adjectives which describe the benefits of your copy for consumers. So what's your headline of choice today? Write in the comments below and we will see in the next video.